if you're facing verification issues on Wise after multiple failed attempts. Follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Review requirements. Before starting recovery, use the ASR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Gather documents. Collect the required documents in the correct format. Make sure that your ID is clear and legible, and that your proof of address is recent and matches the name on your account. Step 3. Contact support. Reach out to Wise customer support for assistance. Use the help section on their website to find the best way to contact them, whether through chat, email, or phone. Step 4. Submit documents. Once you have clarified the requirements of support, submit your documents through the Wise platform. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure that everything is submitted correctly. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents, wait for Wise to review them. This process may take some time, so be patient. Check your email regularly for updates or further instructions. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on Wise. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.